Hello children, come back to our lesson. Where we have started, it is the can't climb trees anymore. We have explained in part 1. Okay, now it is the part 2 children. Okay, where I stopped in the last class, from there I am going to stop. So, before starting, we should have to recollect what is happened in the past story. So the girl is asking when the man is looking towards the home. The girl is telling that whether you want to buy the home. You are not looking so very prosperous, means you are not looking very rich. And the person is giving reply. How he is giving? I don't have that much of money. I can't buy the house. Just to see the house, I came here. Okay. So I am just recollecting my memories. Okay. So would you like to come inside and look forward to the house? The girl is offering to the man. The man is telling her, the elder man also can come to your house. Yes, everybody can come and see. The mother and my parents have gave me the permission. This was told by the girl. Now, how old are you? When these words are spoke, how old are you? Who spoke these words? How old are you? Oh, just middle aged. Oh, just middle age, but feeling young today also. The person is telling, I am the middle age, but looking very young today also. And to prove it, he decided he didn't climb over the wall instead of going round to it. What he has done to prove he was young. What is done by instead of going from the gate, he just jumped the wall, children. Okay, he got up on the wall, all right, but had to rest there. He got up on the wall, but he got rested and taking very heavy breath. Why he was feeling very heavy breathing. Middle-aged man on the flying trapeze. Trapeze. Middle-aged man on the flying trapeze. Trapeze is nothing but a hung. Okay, hung. It is hanging with the ropes. Flying trapeze. He muttered to himself. He is speaking in a low voice to himself. I'll help you, she said. Okay, he is taking a long heavy breath now. I'll help you, she said, and gave him her hand. And she gave him her hand. Next, he slithered down into a flower bed, shattering the stem of a holly oak. Slither. What is the meaning of slither? Slither is nothing but to move somewhere smoothly. He is moving somewhere in a smooth manner into a flower bed. Okay, flower bed. Shatter. Shatter is nothing but to break the stem of a holly oak. Holly oak is nothing but, children, they are the plants. Now, as they walk across the grass, he spotted a stone bench under a mango tree. As he walked across the grass, he saw a stone bench under a mango tree. Now children, it was the bench on which his grandmother used to rest. But where did he spotted? He spotted at one place, no children. At that place, what is happened there? At that place, his grandmother used to rest. When she was tired of pruning, P-R-U-N-I-N-G. When she was tired of pruning rose bushes and bougainvillea. See here, bougainvillea is nothing but, children. Bougainvillea meaning he has given bougainvillea in the page number 84. An ornamental shrubby climbing plant widely cultivated in the crops with bright colored flowers. Means it is a one type of plant with brightly colored flowers. When she took the rest on that bench, when she was pruning, when she was cutting the bushes of the rose plant. Next, let's just sit here. We will sit here. He said. The man said to the girl that let's just sit here. He said, I don't want to go inside. You just sit on the stone bench. Okay. Stone bench. Now, she sat beside him on the bench. Along with the person, along with the man, she also stood there on the bench. It was March. Means March is the name of the month, children. Everybody know January, February, March, April, May. These all the months. So it is the month of March, and the mango tree was in blossom, and the mango tree was in blossom. Blossoming is nothing but giving the fruits and the flowers and fruits. Okay, blossoming means the mango tree was blossoming in the month of every season. See, in the month of March, the mango trees will be blossoming, giving the mangoes, and they are becoming ripening, becoming yellowish. Listen, children. Now, the same situation in the month of March it was happened. The mango tree was in blossoming. A sweet, rather heavy fragrance drenched the garden. Okay, drenched the garden. So, see, when the trees are going to blossom, what happens? A sweet, rather heavy fragrance. Smell also comes. Listen, a sweet smell is coming. Drenched, the garden is nothing but the drench became wet with the fragrance. Okay, they were silent for some time. They were silent for some time. Why they are silent means the girl is waiting. What the man is collecting, what the man is recollecting when he was for few years. Okay, the man closed his eyes and remembered other times the music of a piano. Okay, when they were silent, the man closed his eyes and remembering the other times. Okay, what the times? The music of a piano. He is remembering the music of the piano. The chipping of a grandfather clock. Okay, the chimming, chiming, chimming of a grandfather clock. Next, the constant twitter of the constant twitter of budgers on the veranda. Budgers are nothing but they are the different types of birds. See, let us see meaning we have. What is the meaning given here? Budgeri, budgiger. Budgiger is nothing but a small bird belonging to the parrot family. This is one type of bird. Budgiger is nothing but budgers are nothing but they are twittering. They are twittering the sound. Okay. It is one type of parrot. This is one type of bird which belongs to the parrot on the veranda. Okay. Next, his grandfather's cranking up the old car. His grandfather's cranking is nothing but see old car. What are the use of the old car? When they doesn't move, they have the L-shaped handle children. Okay, this type of vehicles. The car in the olden days, the car used to have the L-shaped handle, and they handle the they catch the handle and move the vehicle. I used to climb the jackfruit tree. Okay, he is recollecting all the memories what he has done when he was a kid. I used to climb the jackfruit tree. He said, okay, he said to the girl, I used to climb the jackfruit tree, opening his eyes. Okay, when he was opening his eyes, he recollected, he remembered all the things. While closing the eyes, when he was opening the eyes, he is telling one thing, what I used to climb the jackfruit tree. Okay, next. I did not like the jackfruit, though, do you? Okay. I don't like the jackfruit, but also I used to climb the jackfruit. Do you like it? He is asking to the girl. It's alright in pickles. It's alright in pickles. The girl is telling that it was alright in the pickles. Next, I suppose so. The tree was easy to climb. Okay, I suppose so. The tree is easy to climb. I spent a lot of time in it. Okay, I used to climb the tree very fast, very easily, and I spent a lot of time on it only. Do you want to climb it again? The girl is asking to the man. What is asking? Okay, the girl is asking, would you like to climb it again? My parents won't mind. My parents will not mind anything. If you want to climb the tree, you can just climb. Next, children. No, not after climbing the garden wall. Okay, after I have climbed the garden wall, no, that's enough for me. No, I can't climb. Let's just sit here for a few minutes and talk. Okay, let us sit for a few minutes and we will talk. Okay, I mentioned the jackfruit tree because it was my favorite place. I mentioned why I mentioned the jackfruit tree in this story because I like the because it was my favorite place. Do you see that thick branches stretching out over the roof? Okay, over the roof they are stretching. These branches are stretching towards the roof, children. Beside the buildings we used to plant the trees. Okay, plant the trees. What the branches will do? They will just stretch to the walls of the building. So here also the same. Halfway along it, there's a small hollow in which I used to keep some of my treasures. Okay, when the branches are stretching, in that branch there is a small hollow in which I used to. That means the man used to keep something. Okay, keep some of my treasures. Treasures are nothing but jewelers. Jewelers includes gold, silver, coin, money, water. So this all considered the treasure. What kind of treasures? Okay, till here you should have to. Till here I will stop my lesson. So remaining part we will see in the next class. It is a very lengthy session. So I have divided the lesson into 3 parts. Already we have completed the first part and the second part. Next third part I will continue in the next class. So today's work. What is the today's work means? You just refer the page number 84. Okay, in the page number 84 about the author is given. No, about the author. You just once read the author. About the author, then you should have to collect 5 difficult words. Okay, find your own difficult words you just find and write the meaning to it. Write the meaning to it by referring the dictionary. Only 5 words. Only 5 words you should write. Then remaining homework. What is the remaining homework? Daily routine homework. You should have to write the 1 page handwriting in your handwriting notebook. So with this I am ending my class. Next I will continue with the another topic. Okay.